Jim's always running out the door without eating, and then later on he grabs something crappy. I like smoothies as an option, and we did this in another video. I'll include that for you in the link below. As easy as that appears to be, I think it might be too much work for Jim. I think I found a great option. It's called Smoothie Box. These are all pre-measured, pre-packaged smoothies, organic ingredients, nice and fresh. It's healthy, it's quick, it tastes good, which is going to be the biggest thing for Jim, and I think it's so simple that even he can manage it. All right, let's see how he does. Did you pick something out?
Berry.
Berry, okay.
So, what do?
You
I can't see this.
You can't see it.
No, I need my readers.
I don't think you even need that.
Oh yeah?
Seriously. Yeah, okay, just
Wait a
great.
minute. Empty smoothie pouch into the blender.
Right. So you
Okay.
so I probably scissors is gonna make that easier, I think. Just saying.
I thought I could do it myself.
Well, obviously not.
This is not. Well, okay. So,
Okay.
All right, now I can't see it. Empty smoothie pouch into blender.
Into blender, yeah. So it just goes into the blender. How difficult is that?
Hey, step one.
Right? Okay, now you want to add water.
8 to 12 ounces, it says, of your favorite liquid and other add-ins.
Yeah. That kind of defeats the purpose. Not this time, I don't think. That's actually kind of a cool idea. Okay.
All right, so it says 8 to 12.
Yeah.
So right to here.
Yeah, but if you want it super thick, if you want it more like something to drink, I would
It
fill it.
says 8 to 12.
I know it says
do
8
this
to
all
12.
the time. It says 8 to 12.
If you want it more like a slushy,
I'm gonna end up with soup.
8 to 12. If you want it more like a drink,
What do I fill it to?
I would fill it to the fill line, but that's me.
Max line.
Okay. Right.
Bend, add liquid as needed.
Bend.
Blend. I told you I couldn't do this without the reading.
Bend it. Bend it, baby.
Add liquid and enjoy. All right.
Okay.
You sure I do this right?
Right. Well, I don't think you can screw that up unless the lid isn't on
Well,
tight
if I
enough.
do, that's going to be a purple mess.
Right. I know. You're gonna get it all over my kitchen, and won't
All
that
right.
just
Super Ninja.
piss me right off? Yeah. Yep.
I really haven't done this myself.
Do it nice just so there's no like.
What? Can't hear you. What?
Blend it until there's no chunks
What?
left.
Can't hear you. So there's no chunks left?
Yeah.
I don't see any chunks.
Okay.
Is that right? Is that good?
Looks pretty good to me.
Looks pretty good?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Remember that last step. Blend, add liquid as needed, and
Enjoy. Yeah.
Well, let's see about the enjoy part. The thing I like about the ninjas.
The moment.
Clean it right
The
now.
moment of truth.
Oh crap! I got stuff all over the place.
Well, there's like, yeah, I knew that would happen.
All right. That's pretty good actually.
Right?
I'm surprised.
Right?
Usually when you give me something healthy, it doesn't taste good. I like it.
I know it. Yeah, and they've got
It's
all.
like berries.
Right, and you can add all kinds of, like if you wanted it to be creamier, you could put Greek yogurt in it. You could add.
Honey in there?
Pardon me?
Honey.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can add honey. You can add mint. I like mint in my berry smoothies.
I know, that's why I don't like them.
You don't like that herby stuff. I know it. Yeah. Yeah. Plus the groovy thing is that the Ninja has that cap, right? So you can just throw that on
See if I can do that.
and just take it with
Obviously not. There we go.
you. Yep. And then you're ready to roll, man. You just
Go.
take it with
See you
you
later.
out the door. The Jim's out the door. You saw that the berry was a win. Really happy about that. They come in a whole bunch of different flavors. My favorite is green apple, and I love to drink it in this groovy mug that I got from Smoothie Box because it's insulated. It keeps everything nice and cool. It also keeps the texture together for a really long time.
Hey!
What?
Tell them how to get it.
Okay, all right. All the information for Smoothie Box is in the link below.
All right, I snuck back in here because it was really delicious, but I like things really sweet. I just wanted to put a little honey in there. And meanwhile, I should tell you that we got a lot more great stuff like this coming up on the Big 60 Life, so make sure, and this is usually Alex's job, that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Oh yeah, yes, yes, yes.